Hi guys, today we're going to be making a farm. First you will need a fence gate, pig, then you need some cows, then you'll need some chickens, spawn egg, whoops, just made a mistake there, and then I'll go with the chicken, then I'll go with cows, and then I'll go with pigs, but first I'm just going to do the chicken. Oops, made a mistake there. I'm now going to put the fence gate there, and then spawn some chickies. And then that's all these small eggs I have. That's what they look like. Then so I'm now going to build it. So this is gonna be the cow's pen. Then I'm going to then I'm going to get the piggies. And that's not it. Once I've done the piggies, is it? But so this is the piggies pen. I'm not going to do any. I'm only gonna spawn one, two. I'm only gonna spawn 4 chickens. I mean pigs, I think. Yeah, 4 pigs. Sorry, I got mixed up. And that's it from Kai.